One of my favorite things to do before I go to sleep is to use my Lairlux. If you don't know what a Lairlux is, it's a massage gun. This massage gun is extremely easy to use, and it comes with 5 different attachments. Each attachment can be used for different parts of the body. You can use it on your arm, shoulder, waist, leg, and even your foot. I know, it sounds a little crazy to use it on your foot, but I do it all the time. Not only do I love this massage gun because it has 5 different attachments, but it goes up to 20 speeds. It also has detailed instructions to help guide you massage each different part of your body accurately, so you're not confused on how to use the massage gun. I work out about 5 to 6 times a week, and this massage gun has been a game changer, not only for my muscles, but also for my sleep. Every night I use the massage gun to alleviate muscle tension as well as soreness. Ever since I started using this right before I go to sleep, I've noticed a big difference in my sleep patterns. I never thought a machine gun would be the results of me having a better sleep at night. I wish I would have known about this sooner, but in the meantime, I'm happy that I'm able to use this every night to get a better night's sleep.